Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to use Character.AI with that account. So first, what we want to do is go to any chat that you want. So let's say this. Just gonna type in, "Hi, how are you?" And once you're done with that, this will prompt you to log in. And let's see if it will work again. So you could have unlimited messages, but for like only one time, I guess, or because it will automatically prompt you to log in. But of course, you could do this to like check the bots like that. You could check their intros or greetings and stuff if you want. And by that, you could decide before logging in. But it's a pretty hectic thing to do. So I suggest that you just log in, which is very easy. You just click on login, then log in in Google with Apple or your email. So that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because how much more people see you in the next one.